Hello guys, hope you're doing good. In this tutorial, we will learn operators and comments in Python with the help of examples. Python operators. The operators can be defined as a symbol which is responsible for a particular operations between two operands. Operators are the pillars of a program on which the logic is built. In a particular programming language, Python provides a variety of operators described as arithmetic operation, comparison operators, assignment operators, logical operators, bitwise, membership, identity operators. Now we'll discuss each one of them step by step. Now we'll talk about arithmetic operators. Arithmetic operators are used to perform arithmetic operations between two operands. It includes plus addition or minus subtraction or into star multiplication or slash divide or percentage remainder or double slash floor division and exponent double star. Consider this table for a detailed explanation of arithmetic operations. You can understand the things. And these are the symbols which we have already learned in our schooling things, right? Like you can see addition, it is used to add two operands. For example, if a is equal to 20, b is equal to 10, then a plus b is equal to 30, obviously. Subtraction, it is used to subtract the second operand from the first operand. In If the first operand is less than the second operand, the value result negative. For example, if a is equal to 20, b is equal to 10, then a minus b is equal to 10. And divide, it returns the quotient after dividing the first operand by the second operand. For example, if a is equal to 20, b is equal to 10, then a divided by b is equal to 2, obviously. Multiplication, it is used to multiply one operand with the other. Remainder, it returns the remainder after dividing the first operand by the second operand. Exponent, it is an exponent operator represented as it calculates the first operand power to second operand. Floor division, it gives the floor division of the quotient produced by dividing the two operands. Comparison operators. Comparison operators are used to comparing the values of the two operands and returns boolean true or false accordingly. The comparison operators are described on the screen. We have equal to equal to. If the value of two operands are equal, then the condition becomes true. If not equal to, if the value of two operands is not equal to, then the condition becomes true. Greater than or equal to, lesser than or equal to, or greater than or equal to. These are the comparison operators. Assignment operators. We have another one is called assignment operator. The assignment operators are used to assign the value of the right expression to the left operand. The assignment operators are described as equal to or plus equal to minus equal to star equal to. It multiplies the value of left operand by the value of the right operand and assign the modification value back to left operand. For example, if a is equal to 10, b is equal to 20, a star equal to b will be equal to a star b, and therefore a is equal to 200. We got it. So a star b, a into b, there will be 200, something like this. And we have star star equal to operand, and these are now next we have a bitwise operators. The bitwise operators perform bit by bit operations on the values of two operands. So we have few of the bitwise operators on the screen. Binary end, first one, percent. If both the bits at the same place in two operands are 1, then 1 is copied to the result, otherwise 0 is copied. Binary operand, and these are the binary operators what you can see on the screen. Now we'll get into the logical operators. And or not. These are the three logical operators. The operators are used primarily in the expression evaluation to make a decision. So Python supports and or not logical operators. And next we have a membership operators. Python membership operators are used to check the membership of a value inside a Python data structure. If the value is present in the data structure, then the resulting value is true, otherwise it returns false. So we have two membership operators, in, not in. Now we'll get into the next one. We have identity operators. There are two different types of identity operator. It is evaluated to be true if the reference present at both sides point to the same object. Is not true. Is not. It is evaluated to be true if the reference present at both sides do not point to the same object. Next one, operator precedence. The precedence of operators is important to find out since it enables us to know which operator should be evaluated first. The precedence table of the operators is on the screen. You can see it. We have different types of precedence operators. Now we'll move on to Python comments. Comments in Python can be used to explain any program code. It can also be used to hide the code as well. Comments are the most helpful stuff of any program. It enables us to understand the way a program works. In Python, any statement written along with hash symbol is known as a comment. The interpreter does not interpret the comment. Comment is not a part of the program, but it enhances the interactivity of the program and makes the program readable. Python supports two types of comments. Single line comment. This is in case user wants to specify a single line comment, then comment must starts with hash. Example, you can see it on the screen. This is single line comment. Print hello Python. So it will print only hello Python. Hash single line, it won't print it. It will hide in the code. Multi-line comment. Example, you can use it as a three quotation. Multi-line comment can be given inside triple quotes, which we have checked in our last class about this. This is what we have discussed about this topic today. Operations, all operators and comments. These are the operators which we are going to use in Python. And this is the end of the session. We'll discuss further in our next session. Okay guys, take care. Hope you guys have enjoyed it. See you in next class. Bye.